Explore the connections between quantum patterns and underlying realities, and how patterns create emergent realities. This is one of the deepest questions in both physics and philosophy. The key challenge is that there is a distinction between what physics can currently demonstrate and what we can reasonably speculate. One useful way to think about it is as a hierarchy. The universe appears to be built from patterns rather than isolated objects. At the quantum level, we observe these patterns are remarkably mathematical equations, often predict them before experiments observe them. Patterns rarely exist alone. When patterns interact, they constrain one another. Examples include waves interfere, quantum fields interact.
Energy organizes into persistent structures.
The important point is that interaction creates stability.
Stable interactions produce phenomena that don't exist at the lower level by themselves.
Examples: temperature emerges from countless molecular motions.
Fluid flow emerges from individual molecules.
Life emerges from chemistry.
An emergent property is real, even though no individual component possesses it.
Reality is layers. Reality may be understood as nested levels of emergence. Quantum fields, wave patterns, particles, atoms, molecules, cells, brains, thought, culture. Each layer has its own rules, even though it arises from the layer below.
Why patterns matter?
Patterns can persist much longer than the material carrying them.
A whirlpool remains while the water changes.
A melody remains while different instruments play it. A living organism replaces nearly all of its atoms over time, yet retains its identity. This suggests that organization can be more fundamental to identity than the particular matter involved. Quantum patterns and reality.
Quantum mechanics suggests that what evolves continuously is the wave function,
while measurements yield definite outcomes.
Exactly what this implies about underlying reality
depends on the interpretation of quantum mechanics, and there is no scientific consensus. Some physicists therefore explore the possibility that
matter is an expression of deeper quantum fields.
Particles are stable excitations of those fields.
Information symmetry
or relationships may be more fundamental than particles themselves. These ideas are active areas of research and interpretation rather than established fact. Emergence as increasing constraint.
One intriguing perspective is that emergence is not simply
more complexity, but increasing constraint. Random motion has many possibilities.
Crystal formation restricts those possibilities.
Living cells restrict them further.
Brains restrict them further still.
Knowledge itself could be viewed as an emergent pattern that reduces uncertainty
by imposing increasingly effective constraints on action.
A possible unifying principle.
One philosophical synthesis is
reality may consist of enduring patterns of interaction that become increasingly stable across scale.
Stable quantum patterns give rise to particles,
particles to atoms, atoms to chemistry, chemistry to life, life to minds capable of recognizing the very patterns from which they emerged. This is not an established physical theory, but it is broadly consistent with the scientific concepts of emergence. while remaining agnostic about which interpretation of quantum mechanics is correct. If this perspective is right, then the universe is not simply a collection of things.
It is a hierarchy of stable,
Interacting patterns,
with each level giving rise to new forms of organization
that cannot be fully understood by examining the lower level alone.